Heart valve auscultation points explained. Aortic valve, second intercostal space, right sternal border. Pulmonic valve, second intercostal space, left sternal border. Tricuspid, fourth intercostal space, left sternal border. Mitral valve at the apex, fifth intercostal space, mid-clavicular line. And here's the bonus, Erb's point, third intercostal space, left sternal border. This is your best spot for hearing S1 and S2 heart sounds. Master heart anatomy with interactive 3D models. Download the Easy Anatomy app.